In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Power BI to AWS Redshift. This process, although straightforward, can open up a world of data analysis possibilities by allowing these two powerful tools to work together seamlessly. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to have Power BI open on your computer. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or a newcomer, the interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easy to navigate. Once Power BI is up and running, the next step is to locate the Get Data button. This button is your gateway to various data sources, allowing you to import data into Power BI for analysis. Clicking on Get Data will present you with a range of options. Here, you'll want to click on More to explore all available data sources. This step ensures you have access to Power BI's full range of connectivity options. In the More section, you will see a search bar that is extremely useful for quickly locating the specific data connector you need. Type Amazon Redshift into the search bar. This feature will directly filter down to the Redshift connector, saving you from scrolling through a potentially overwhelming list of sources. Once you see Amazon Redshift in the list, go ahead and click the Connect button. This action will initiate the setup process to link Power BI with your AWS Redshift database. At this point, a window will pop up, prompting you to provide details of your Redshift server. If you're managing a busy database or just diving into Amazon Redshift for the first time, accuracy is key. Double check the server name or endpoint, the database name, user credentials, and any other necessary information. Accurate inputs will ensure a smooth connection. After filling out these details, you should be able to establish a connection by clicking another Connect button, prompting Power BI to attempt a handshake with your Redshift database. Once the connection is successfully established, you'll notice the navigator pane in Power BI becomes populated with the list